Hello everyone, let's recap what we have learned so far. So we covered the concept of variables, operators, conditional statements, switch case, while loop and for loop. Now here I have a small exercise for you based on what we have learned so far. The exercise is print all the even numbers and odd numbers that comes under 1 to 100 separately. The output should look like this. To achieve this output, I have a small note for you that how to print new line in your browser. To print new line, you have to write document.write and within the parentheses you have to pass like beer like this way. So this is the HTML tag which called break, which is used to print new line in your browser. So try by yourself and find the solution in the next video. Thank you.